never expected to meet someone who not only understands me, but is so patient, kind, smart, caring, and beautiful.
Heartbeat in the quiet.
Paul, my love. 7 years ago, almost to the day, I walked into a dubious-looking office on West 35th Street with hopes of new beginning. Little did I know I would be meeting the love of my life. Just a couple of hours later, looking incredibly handsome, in a suit that I would almost never see him wear again.
I promise to keep working towards our dreams and living the life that we want together, no matter what sacrifices it takes. You are the rock in our relationship, and I know that no matter what I do, you will always have my back. Support me and catch me when I fall, and be the one to celebrate when we have success.
I love your laugh, your smile, and your goofiness, which you often reserve just for me, but that the world deserves to see a lot more of. With you, I feel safe and grounded, appreciated and cherished, seen and heard.
I promise to love you for more than time, until death do us part is not long enough for me. I promise to give you and our relationship my all, as you have done. Luckily, I know what our marriage will look like, and I know it will continue to be fun, loving, and ever-growing along with our dreams. I love you now, but not as much as I will tomorrow.
I'm so incredibly proud of you, of the person you are, every day, and the life you're working towards. You're the kindest, most gentle soul I know. I love the love that you show the three of us every day. That is why, as I stand here in front of you today, I know the full strength of our bond. For better, for worse, for richer, for poor, for in sickness and in health, are not just empty promises.
This is more than imagine. This is more than ordinary, I'm leaving home for the coastline, someplace under the sun. I feel my heart for the first time, 'cause now I'm moving on, yeah, I'm moving on. And there's a place that I've dreamed of, where I can free my mind. I hear the sounds of the season and lose all sense of time. I'm moving far away to a sunny place where it's just you and me. Feels like we're in a dream. You know what I mean. The summer air by the seaside, the way it fills our lungs, the fire burns in the night sky. This life will keep us young, yeah, keep us young. Sleep by the ocean, our hearts will move with the tide, and we will wake in the morning to see the sun paint the sky. know what I mean. When I'm lost, when I'm low, how do you always know? Oh, you're right there to save me at the end of my rope. When I'm floating in space, how do you stay in place? When the whole world is caving, oh, you're my saving grace. You make me wonder, woman, how do you do it? Some superpower I don't understand. You make me wonder, woman, how do you do it? You're superhuman and I'm just a man. You're the best at my worst, more than what I deserve. Always right there beside me. Could've put yourself first. Give me hope, give me help when I'm going through hell. Show me loving somebody starts with loving myself. You make me wonder, woman, how do you do it? Some superpower I don't understand. You make me wonder, woman, how do you do it? You're superhuman and I'm just a man. Whoa, na 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 na. Your superpower I don't understand. You're superhuman and I'm just a man.